Alright, so if you drive for Walmart Spark, this is a big update, and honestly, it changes the game. Here's the deal. Walmart just agreed to a $100 million settlement after drivers said they were misled about pay, tips, and incentives. Yeah, that's huge. So now, things are different. First, they can't change your pay after you accept an order anymore. What you see is what you get. And they also have to be way more honest about the tips up front. That alone fixes one of the biggest complaints drivers have. But here's where it gets interesting. They're rolling out a tier system like silver, gold, and even sapphire. The better your ratings and performance, the better orders you might see. So yeah, it's turning into a top driver gets rewarded system. And one more thing, they're cracking down hard on fake accounts. More ID checks, less cheating, which could mean less competition in your zone. So what's the bottom line? The app didn't change anything, but the pay rules did. And honestly, that's the part that matters the most.